Hello everyone, I am Sam from The Brick Bros, and today I will just be doing a speed build. Nothing special, just a speed build of this set right here. Please note that this is an old set, so of course there's no unboxing, but also, as you can see, there is no interior stuff, so no desks, no chairs, no tables, none of that. The cars aren't in the speed build, it's just the station, and some of it might be missing or anything. I'm sorry for that, but hopefully you enjoy this build. Let's get right into it. Alright, that's the end of the speed build. I'd like to thank you all for watching this episode on The Brick Bros, and stay tuned for next episode. I don't have anything planned yet, so this is going to come out. Be ready for it.